What's up everyone? Today I'm testing out the Fudoni Projector, a portable projector with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, full HD resolution, and support for 4K input. If you're into movie nights, gaming, or outdoor setups, or just want a huge screen at home, this one's definitely interesting. Let's set it up and walk through everything step by step. Inside of the box, you get the projector, a power cable, HDMI cable, remote control, and the manual, and a cool travel case. And you also get these. It also comes with a cleaning kit, an extra filter. So right away, you got everything you need to start using it. No extra stuff to buy, just plug and play. That's what I like about it. Setup is super simple. Just plug it in, power it on, and the main menu pops right up. You can put this on a table, a tripod, or even mount it on the ceiling. It's lightweight, so moving it from one room to the other is very easy. Now let's try one of its main features, screen mirroring. First, you make sure your phone and projector are on the same Wi-Fi network. On the projector, go to screen mirroring. Now on iPhone, open Control Center. Tap screen mirroring and select the projector. Boom, my phone is now on the big screen. On Android, it's the same idea. Just use Smart View or wireless display. And what I like about it is that it connects really fast. This is perfect for YouTube, photos, videos, or even presentations. There's no lag, no complicated setup. Let me throw in a video so you can see how smooth it looks.
New blasters, new powers, and new sick Nerf structures. Our goal is to become the Nerf champion by eliminating the other Nerf competitors.
That honestly looks really sharp for a projector at this price. Now, let's go to Bluetooth settings. We're gonna go to Home. Bottom left, Bluetooth. This is huge to me because usually projector speakers are usually just okay. I love using my headphones. So I turn on Bluetooth here. I put my speaker in pairing mode and it pops right up on the screen. I tap connect and now all the audio comes through my headset. Way fuller sound. This makes a massive difference for movies or games. And it's neat because you can connect any Bluetooth device, whether it's a loudspeaker or a headphone. Now, if you don't want wireless, you've got HDMI for laptops, gaming consoles, Fire Stick, Roku, USB for media, and audio out for speakers. I'll plug in a console real quick. Instant big screen gaming. This is honestly so much fun. This projector has native 1080p resolution, so you're getting true full HD. It also supports 4K input, so higher resolution devices still look great. Let me put up a bright scene and a dark scene for you.
A few hours ago, I secretly switched my friend's private server link to an exact copy of Escape Tsunami for Brain Rot.
Colors look vibrant, text is sharp, and the contrast holds up really nicely. For indoor use, this looks fantastic. Now, let's try different lighting. Day versus night. In daylight, it's still very watchable, especially in shaded rooms. But like most projectors, it shines best in darker environments. At night, this thing looks like a home theater. Super immersive. Perfect for movie nights. Living room, movie night, perfect. Bedroom binge watching, easy setup. Outdoor movie night or camping, amazing experience. Gaming with friends, huge screen fun. This is one of those products you'll find excuses to use. You can adjust the screen size just by moving it back and forth. It can go all the way up to about 300 inches. There's also a zoom and focus controls. You can dial it in perfectly. Once it's set, the picture stays nice and crisp. What I like most, full HD clarity, easy screen mirroring, Bluetooth audio, lots of connection options, big screen size, and for the price, this is honestly very impressive. If you want a projector that's simple to use, works with phones, laptops, and consoles, and gives you that big screen movie experience at home or outdoors, the Fudoni projector is a really solid choice. Great picture quality, great features, and super versatile. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You can also watch pictures and movies using a USB. You just simply plug it in and then select movie, photos, or text, or music. I'm going to select photos because mine are on the photo drive here. So these are all photos that you can see on the screen. It also has this really cool kickstand that I really like. You can just screw it up or down and raise it about an inch just for a better viewing angle. I also really like how all the buttons are right here, or you can use the remote. Makes things really handy. Overall, I really like this projector. I'm going to use it indoor, outdoor, camping with me on vacations, everywhere I go, especially at home on movie nights. I love it.